Let's make my Patchwork Mischief quilt pattern using layer cakes. Layer cakes are 10-inch squares, and for this pattern you will need 42 10-inch squares, yielding a 54-inch by 56-inch quilt. Or you can use 70 10-inch squares, yielding a twin-size quilt measuring at 63 inches by 80 inches, just to give you a few more options. But let's get started. With each 10-inch square, subcut 4 2.5-inch squares and one 7.5-inch by 8.5-inch rectangle, and that's it. Go ahead and repeat this step to all of your 10-inch squares, and I will have these measurements down in the description below. Afterwards, we will mix everything up and sew it all back together again. And first, you will take all of your 2.5-inch squares and sew them together with a 1/4-inch seam allowance, giving you a 2.5-inch by 8.5-inch rectangle. You will sew that rectangle to the right side of your 7.5-inch by 8.5-inch rectangle with a 1/4-inch seam allowance, leaving you with a 9.5-inch by 8.5-inch rectangle. All you have to do is repeat this step to all of your 10-inch squares. Now that your blocks are complete, it is time to lay your quilt out. You will lay your blocks in a 6x7 block layout for the throw size quilt. Rotate your blocks 180 degrees so that your 2.5-inch squares touch each other. Then for the twin size quilt, you will lay your quilt out in a 7x10 block layout. And as always, sew your blocks together to form rows, and lastly, sew your rows together to complete your quilt top. And here is what my Patchwork Mischief quilt pattern looks like all finished. For the backing, I am using a matching print from within the collection. Then I'm going with glide threads in the color peach for the top. And this time I'm going to mix it up and use linen within my bobbin for the backing as my thread choices. And here is what my quilt looks like all quilted. Once again, one layer cake will yield a 54-inch by 56-inch quilt. 70 10-inch squares will yield you a 63-inch by 80-inch, giving you a few more options. But if you could, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.